keep that covered up. You don't want junk getting in there. Okay. So here is the engine cover. That thing's dusty. I have to spray it off when I'm done. So now I have to pull all these coil packs. And they're dual coils. There's 2 spark plugs per cylinder. So I'm going to pull all these retaining screws and then slide these off and out of the way and then pull the spark plugs out on both sides. All right, they're 10 mil. They're on there pretty loose. Just gonna do this first one for the video, for example. Just kind of like rock it back, and pop it off, and slide it to the side, and then you're gonna have to get down in there to get the spark plugs. So, there we go. And there it goes. There it is. It came out just fine. That thing's got 98,000 miles on it. Alright, so all these are off in this whole passenger side. So now, just got to start putting them in and torque them down to 20 foot-pounds. Okay, just going to drop them down. So, just take that one at a time, wind it in by hand. This way there's no risk of cross-threading it. Okay, so it's snug. Do this with all of them, and I'll go back through and hit them all with a torque wrench. So I'll record these ones because they're the easiest to see. Those ones in the back, it's pretty sketchy to try to video it and do it at the same time. So there's all the old ones. New ones are all in and torqued. I already got this bank. The coils are back on. So do the same to this side. Tighten them up. Not too tight, they're just a little brass inserts, so strip it out pretty easy. There it is, snapped in place. This on again.